floating through the crowd. The streets don't care, the lights don't blink, but I disappear in every blink. This high ain't wild, it's slow and wise, a way to breathe beneath the lies. City lights and smoke, I fade, drifting through this mental shade. City lights and smoke, so wide, everything just moves inside. City lights and smoke, I float, lost in rhythm, breathing. Sometimes I light it just to feel that quiet space where thoughts turn real. The noise out there don't reach in here, where only shadows make things clear. No destination, just the ride, me and the night side by side. And when that bitter thought comes through, I pass it on like smoke I blew. No mask, no pose, no role to play, just cannabis and soul decay, till what remains is soft and bare. My truth hanging in the air. City lights and smoke, I fade, drifting through this mental shade. City lights and smoke, so wide, everything just moves inside. City lights and smoke, I float, lost in rhythm, breathing. No noise, just light, no fear, just flight. And when the joint is almost done, I'm still high but not on the run. I've seen myself with quiet eyes and let the world just roll on by. So when you see me in the smoke, don't ask what words I never spoke. Just light your own, take it slow, and let the city gently glow. City lights and smoke, I fade, drifting through this mental shade. City lights and smoke, so wide, everything just moves inside. City lights and smoke, I float, lost in rhythm, brave that know. Still watching, still burning, still high. Not just a hit, it's a ritual. Light it slow, let it breathe, feel the fire underneath. This ain't just some passing game, every puff I call a name. The name of truth, the name of soul, of who I was before control. I breathe in deep then fade away, let the smoke show me the way. The walls don't talk but I still hear the rhythm of the hidden sphere. I close my eyes, my spine goes numb, and through the smoke the spirits come. Ritual in the smoke, I rise, open mind and shut my eyes. Ritual in the smoke, so real, this is more than what I feel. Ritual in the smoke, no fear, every hit brings something near. Ash falls like sacred sand, marking visions where I stand. I see the past in colors red, the voices of the things I said. It's not a trip, it's a return to primal fire I let burn. No preacher, no God, no priest, just this joint and inner peace. Every breath's a drum inside, every thought I used to hide now comes forward raw and true. like smoke that knows just what to do. Ritual in the smoke, I rise, open mind and shut my eyes. Ritual in the smoke, so real. This is more than what I feel. Ritual in the smoke, no fear. Every hit brings something near. One spark, one flame, one breath, no name. And when the smoke begins to clear, I still feel the voices near. Not as ghosts but as my own truths I found when I was stoned. So light it up or take it slow. Let your inner shadow show. It ain't just weed, it's more than high. It's how you burn and touch the sky. Ritual in the smoke, I rise, open mind and shut my eyes. Ritual in the smoke, so real. This is more than what I feel. Ritual in the smoke, no fear. Every hit brings something near. Still burning, still learning, still high.
Close your eyes, step through. Yeah. One flame, one breath, one foot outside of death. Smoke so slow it don't just rise. It opens doors behind my eyes. No more ground, no more form, just a calm inside the storm. I ain't running, I ain't gone, I'm just where the veil is gone. Words don't work, sound is soft, the truth come down from way aloft. I don't see gods or broken laws, I just float inside the car. Beyond the veil, I drift, I burn, no path back, no need to return. Beyond the veil, the silence speaks, clouds of green, the real one peaks. Beyond the veil, I melt and rise, nobody, just eternal highs. Yeah. Sour shape with no skin, he said you've always been within. I laughed, I cried, I blew some smoke and watched illusion slowly choke. I ain't afraid, I let it slide. The ego folds, the self collide. Now I breathe in sacred waves. Each hit a hymn, the soul obeys. This is more than just a trip, it's consciousness without the grip. So roll it tight, inhale the sky, and feel yourself begin to die. Beyond the veil, I drift, I burn, no path back, no need to return. Beyond the veil, the silence speaks, in clouds of green, the real one peaks. Beyond the veil, I melt and rise, nobody, just eternal highs. Don't be scared, just is out. Don't escape, just evolve. And if I come back looking slow, like I seen too much to show, don't ask questions, don't demand, just take my joint and understand. This world's a dream, a lovely lie, but in the smoke I touch the why. And when I'm gone, I'm not asleep, I'm just somewhere higher deep. Beyond the veil, I drift, I burn, no path back, no need to return.
flame. Clouds rolling, but I feel no rain. Eyes I've shut, heart full of fire. This smoke don't burn, it lifts me higher. No more weight, no more sound, just this rhythm all around. Don't need words, don't need to fight, I just fade into the light. My thoughts dissolve, my breath is white. Time don't matter when you're high. This ain't running, this is home, a place you reach when you're alone. Fade into the light, let it flow, let the wind take what you know. Fade into the light, don't look back, there's nothing there you need to track. Fade into the light, feel the breeze, let it hush your mind with ease. The noise is gone, the streets are still, but I still move, not by will. It's like the stars inside my chest, glowing, I forget the rest. Every inhale paints the sky, every thought waves me goodbye. And what remains is soft and pure, a quiet truth I can't ignore. So I let go, I don't resist, don't need control to just exist. The flame is low, but I still burn in every corner that I turn. Fade into the light, let it flow, let the wind take what you know. Fade into the light, don't look back, there's nothing there you need to track. Fade into the light, feel the breeze, let it hush your mind with ease. Breathe in, float slow, let go, just glow. If you see me smiling low, don't ask why, just let me go. I'm not gone, I'm just more here than I've ever been, without fear. So light it up and sit a while, lose your name and wear a smile. Let that smoke be soft and bright, and fade with me into the light. Fade into the light, let it flow, let the wind take what you know. Fade into the light, don't look back, there's nothing there you need to track. Fade into the light, feel the breeze, let it hush your mind with ease. Still here, still high, still high. Oh. You're not the body, you're not the name, just breathing. Eyes closed, flame lit, body here but I forget it. Thoughts dissolve, skin don't feel, heartbeat sounding like a wheel. Feet on earth, head in stars, can't find the walls, forgot the bars. Smoke so thick I fade like steam, now I'm just a moving dream. Ain't no hunger, ain't no thirst, I left my name inside the dirt. What remains is breath and hush, floating high, no need to rush. Smoke above the flesh, I rise, leaving form behind these eyes. Smoke above the flesh, I fly,
above the flesh, I fly. Nothing here but I ain't shy. Smoke above the flesh, no pain. I'm just spirit in the rain. No name, no face, just rhythm and space. They'll ask where I've been, but how to say what I've seen. There's no word for leaving self, no label fits this kind of health. So I just smile and light again, start the fall that feels like zen. The more I leave, the more I be. Smoke above what they can see. Smoke above the